Hello, Tara Maria. Anong hanap mo, be? Yung picture ng bag, hindi ko pa nagagawa. Hindi pa ako nakakapasok dun sa aking kwarto ng mga bag. Kaya hindi ko pa nagagawa. Ayan, for those interested dito kay Mini Dior bag, the price of this bag is 313,000 yen. Ayan, pink siya. Pink. Baby pink. Ayan. Edge part, still good condition. Ayan. Ayan. No flaws, no dirt to mention naman. Cracks on the handle. No cracks on the handle. And on the edge part, okay naman. Ayan siya. And the handle is still good. The handle part with the leather part, wala siyang cracks. Ayan. Dirt with eto chain bag.